Hello everyone, now we have to discuss impulse response of series RL circuit with S domain analysis. That is, we are providing Laplace domain approach for the series RL circuit to get impulse response of the circuit. Simple, first we have to get the impulse response for the circuit. Plus minus, this is impulse representation is what? Delta of t, right? Switch or finally what we have? L, right? This is switch or L. Through this the current is I of t. So from this series RL circuit is excited by an impulse input, that is delta of t. We can represent like this, okay? Sorry, V into delta of t, okay? Let us assume that the circuit is initially de-energized. Initially the circuit is de-energized. Therefore, what we are having? Supply voltage is what? V into delta of t, which is equals to what we are having? R into I of t plus L into di of t by dt. So from this we are taking Laplace transformation. Taking Laplace transformation, you will get delta of Laplace transform of delta of t is nothing but what? We all know that Laplace transform of delta of t should be equals to 1, right? Therefore, what we are having? Simply it is V, right? Simply it is V, which is equals to R. In place of I of s, we are I of t, we are having I of s plus this is what? L s into I of s minus I of 0. We all know that I of 0 is nothing but initial value. Simple. If you know the concept of one response, obviously you will get different responses easily. However, the initial condition I of 0 plus should be equals to 0. Therefore, what we are having? V, which is equals to R into I of s plus Ls into I of s. So from this I of s gets common. From this what we are having? V by R plus Ls, okay? I of s is what? V by R by L plus S. So from this, I of S should be equals to V by L by 1 by S plus R by L. Then apply inverse Laplace transform. Then we know that 1 by S plus A form. Therefore, I of t should be equals to V by L is constant. This should be e power minus R by L into t. We can write I of t should be equals to V by L e power minus t by tau. Right? This is the response. Where tau is equals to what? L by R. That's it. So this is the response. That is, that too response is what? Impulse response. This is what? We observed that impulse response of series RL circuit is exponential decaying or rising function? Exponentially decaying function. So like that you will get the voltage across resistor, voltage across inductor, PR, PL. Then you have to do VR, VL, PR, PL. This is about the impulse response of series RL circuit.